Hello, hello! Let's learn some words that start with the letter H. Look, this is a house. Hey, a horse. A hat. Wow, a helicopter. Whoa, it's a hamster. Uh-oh, a hedgehog. Honey, yummy. It's a hippo.
I'm hungry.
I can help.
Wow, a hamburger. What is this? A heart. Now, let's play a game. What is this? This is a house. And what about these? A horse. What about this one? A hat. And this one? A helicopter. Do you know this one? A hamster. What is this? A hedgehog. And what is this? Honey. What is this? It's a hippo. Do you know this one? A hamburger. Last one. A heart. Amazing! You've learned so many English words that start with H. See you next time. Bye-bye.